Hello everyone, welcome to Read, Listen and Speak. Elephants and the Mice. Let us read a story about how a tiny mice saved a herd of elephants from the hunter's net. Once there was a small meadow near a lake. Thousands of mice lived there. One day, a herd of elephants came to drink water from the lake near the meadow. And they passed through the meadow to reach the lake. As they passed through, hundreds of mice came under their feet and got killed. This went on for many days. The king of mice became worried. Oh my God! One day all the mice would get killed. I should meet the king of elephants. The king of mice went and requested him. Please tell your herd to take a different route to reach the lake. Only then can the mice be saved. Please help us. I promise to help you whenever you need us. The king of elephants laughed. Ha ha ha. How can a tiny mouse help someone so big and strong? But don't worry, my herd of elephants will take a different route to reach the lake. The king of mice was very thankful to the king of elephants. One day, hunters caught a large elephant in a net. The elephants were helpless now. By chance, hundreds of mice were passing that way to drink water from the lake. The king of mice saw that the king of elephants and his herd were in a big trouble. He spoke to the king of elephants. Once you helped me and hundreds of mice when we were in trouble. I still remember your kindness to us. Today we will help you. Saying so, they bit the net with their sharp teeth and freed the elephant. The elephant king thanked the king of mice for saving his herd and said, I am sorry I laughed at you that day. I have now learned a lesson. I will never make fun of the weak again. Strong or weak, everyone is important in this world. Each one of us is special. Therefore, we should not make fun of the weak. That is because sometimes the weak can be of great help in situations where the strong are of no use.
Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like and share this video. Thanks a lot.